Hello everyone, it is the time y'all been waiting for. I am super excited to show you this Ultimate Mystery Bundle. I have been working on it for forever and I wanted to do something really fun kind of for the holidays. None of the kits are holiday themed or anything in it's holiday themed, but I wanted to do something fun for the holidays that was a really amazing value, could kind of be a gift to yourself. I know a lot of people bought them for their planner friends and just something that's fun and I enjoyed putting together. And I liked the idea of kind of doing 4 mystery kits in one and a collab with Kane from Printpression, because you all know that I love Kane. And I'm just really excited to show you what we came up with. So let me go ahead and show you the Printpression items first. So this bundle was $119.95. I'm like the worst at saying numbers out loud. Usually I just say they're in the description. And it actually sold out within the special pricing period. So everyone paid $99.95 for it, plus shipping. So the value of this was over $250 and it was just an awesome value, especially if you even just think of getting the ultimate kits, which are 10 pages instead of the 8 pages that are normally in shop. If you even just think of getting that, just those, like for $25 each plus everything else then for free, it's just an awesome deal. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, the Printpression items. I am so excited to show you this color because whenever I saw Kane putting out the planner keepers and all the comments wanting gold hardware with pink, I was like, I got you. So this is the planner keeper by Printpression. It is the classic B6 size and it does have gold hardware. Y'all almost had to know that it was coming. This does differ in the color that he came out with in his shop. It's like, this is a little bit darker and more bubblegummy, where his is a little bit paler pink, and the gold hardware where the other one had silver. So this you can use for storage. You could use it as a B6 planner. You can store stickers in here. You could store basically anything. So the bundle itself did come with a keep all zipper pouch. So you can put that in there and put any of your goodies in here. And then it also did come with some sticker protectors. So you could use these to store foil bundles. You can use them to store kits. All of it fits perfectly. I will show you with something I just filmed, the new releases for this week. So you can slip in kits, foil bundles. You can even put in some doodles. Where do we have some doodles at? Here we go. Doodles will fit in here as well. I believe they fit side by side too, which is nice. So you can store anything in here. It's kind of nice for on the go, or if you want to put like a specific part of your collection in here, I think that'd be really nice. Storing your kits, anything. It's just really kind of open-ended. Again, you could also even use it as a B6 planner that just has a zipper on it, but it is super cute. So again, you got the planner keeper, you got the keep all zipper pouch, and you did get the 5 sticker sheet protectors in there, which these are super nice, like super nice quality and thick, but you can still see through them, which is my preference. So that is everything from Kane from Printpression, and that in itself is a really amazing value. I think all of that is around 60, 70, 80, maybe even dollars. Okay, let's go into the kits. I'm so excited to show you all of the different kits. We worked with 4 different artists to give 4 different vibes. I feel like the kits are very anytime, but also have themes that are super usable, and they all come with a matching foil bundle, but the foil bundle can obviously be used with the kit, or if you want to save it to use with another kit, they're all versatile. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, let's go into the kit here with the artist that we actually featured in last month's mystery, which y'all seem to love. So I'm really excited about that. So here we go. So the first kit here is called Planning Time. I wanted to do an exclusive art planning girl kind of kit. I haven't done one that's kind of just like a classic pink marble vibe in a very long time. And I think this turned out really pretty, especially with the addition of brown and then all of the white. I think it's very modern while still being very cozy and trendy. So I love this. I love the frap, and it kind of reminds me of the planner keeper with the pops of pink. You have your tall box over here. This is in the mystery format, so it is 10 sheets instead of the 8. and you have way more in here than a normal ultimate kit. I love the patterns. You have the bottom washi, the extra 2 boxes here, which has a laptop kind of flat lay with the Scribble Prints Co website on here. And then the extra color is the gray. You have more fashion options on top here as well. And then the foil bundle that I paired with this, I am so pumped because this bundle has 2 different kits that have matte bronze with it, which matte bronze is our top selling foil bundle ever, and it also will be featured in an upcoming mystery, and that mystery has so many gorgeous extras. I'm so excited for you to see that. But I wanted to do more matte bronze in here. It has been so loved and so requested, and because it's so usable, I totally get it. So let's go into this one here first. This one is the Luxe foil bundle, and it has the 6 full boxes in the glitter header overlays. I think this goes perfectly with this. But again, all of my foil bundles you can use with anything. So there's nothing tying it to this kit in particular, which I think is nice. You have the 2 pages of bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, the bottom washi, the header overlays, the deco, and the date numbers. So that is the first kit. So stinking cute. I love the colors in this. I think it's gonna look so pretty. If you wanted to use a different foil with it, personally, I would recommend gold, silver, or rose. I think that'd be really, really nice with this. But I really do love this matte bronze with it, with the Luxe. I think it's really pretty. Let's go into the other kits. Let's do this one. This one here has rose foil with it, which I think is so pretty. And I was so excited for this art. They wanted to do kind of like cottage core, fairy core kind of vibes, a little bit of crafting elements in here. And this one is called Cottage Core. I just love it. Gives me like March, spring vibes, but also could be kind of like the end of summer going into fall. Again, still very anytime. I love this. It's beautiful. I love the watercolor. I love the girls. I love everything. The little pie, the little ladybug, the book stack. Like it's perfection. I love it. It's one of, I mean, these are all my favorites. That's why they're here. Then you have the, like, come on. Look, the colors, the patterns. This fabulous girl over here. I can't. The deco page, like, just look at these. I think this would also be pretty. So I paired it with rose. I think it would also look pretty with silver, but I think it would also look pretty with hollow because you have like these colors are like in the shift of hollow, like the blue, the pink, and the green. It's just so good. I think it's just turned out gorgeous. And again, I love these patterns. Love the bottom washi. You have your extra full boxes here. The extra colors, this light purple. You have extra fashion options, the little scene here, and then the bottom washi 15mm add-on. Oh, so good. And again, this one is rose foil. This is a new format, and I think it pairs perfectly with this, but again, could be used with other kits. And it is a floral bundle. So you have some floral overlays and a really pretty confetti overlays. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I'm just obsessed. You have 2 pages of that. You have 2 pages of the bougie boxes. You have the scripts and icons, and then you have the bottom washi, the headers, the little sprinkle deco, and then the date numbers. So that is the second kit. Again, all of this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. Let's go into the third kit. This one I plan to use, I think, for like a spring cleaning or like when I'm decorating, and I'm trying to get into that now. But I think that's like an always never-ending thing for most people is decorating your house. You think you get where you need to go, and then you're off into starting a new project. So this one here is called House to Home. I wanted to do kind of like a cooler toned home, neutral, cozy, modern, trendy situation. And I think it turned out so cute. I love this little cat and all of the decor elements along with, like, come on. Gorgeous, but I'm just obsessed. I love the way this turned out. It is just honestly home goals. You have the tall box over here. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty. Just very like soft, warm, cozy, while still being very chic, sophisticated, and just kind of, oh my God, I just love these colors. They're so pretty. I did pair this with the matte bronze, but I also think you could do silver gold mixed metal. You could do rose with this. It's one of those ones I feel like you could do almost any foil. If you wanted to bring in like a black, that would kind of be cool too, I think. Extra full boxes, the extra colors, a like chocolate. Then you have the extra fashion options, and then 2 more like scene boxes. So that is House to Home. And this one, I did the classic first ever foil bundle to sell out in this format, the matte bronze with the confetti. And I know y'all are going to be excited about this because I get the most emails about when this is going to come back. So y'all are getting it first. And that is the foil bundle there. And then last but not least, this is the one that I was like, I'm going to go a little crazy and do something like kind of different, but I think it turned out so cute. And I feel like you could use it for so many different occasions. And it's adorable, like so adorable. I think it's going to be the fan favorite for sure because I've never seen a kit with this theme. I think it's really cute. Like really, really, really cute. Okay, so this one, I think this is my, I don't know, they're all my favorite. That's the problem. But there's something fun about this one. So this one is a Candyland themed kit. And like Candyland for me is like nostalgia. And I think this is adorable. I can't get over it. I'm still like giddy about it. I love the pastel rainbow. I love the Candyland theme. I think this would be cute for a game night. I think it'd be cute for a birthday. I think it would be cute just for an anytime kit because it's adorable and I cannot stop smiling when I look at it. I think it'd be cute even for like Valentine's Day or even Christmas if you wanted to. Anytime, this is perfect. I think it's so cute. I love Candyland, and like all of the food items just makes me so happy. Like the little candies and like cookies and ice creams and like all the different fashion options. So I wanted to do kind of like the different characters. And oh, there's another one. Hold on. Look how stinking cute they are. I literally can't. I just love it so much. And like these colors are so fun. The patterns are so fun. Oh, this Ice Queen here. You have the little board game. The little, like, so you can use this maybe you're having a baking week or like just like a little dessert party. I think it'd be really cute as a birthday set too. Like especially for like a little kid, or if you just really love ice cream and candy, like go for it. I love this bottom washi. I think it's so fun. It looks like smashed up candy. You have the feet seen here in the additional skin tone colors where you're like walking on the game board. The extra color is this really pretty like tangerine. And then you have like the kids that like walk through Candyland. I thought that was adorable. And then a little like baking box if you wanted to use that for that. And then also the bottom washi is like a gradient rainbow. I just can't. I love it so much. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite kit was because I am so curious, and that would be really fun to see like what y'all favorite are. So I do this in the future, I can kind of see what your favorites were, why you liked them, and kind of can go on from there. So the foil bundle for this, I think y'all knew it was going to be the candy theme, and it is in Lavender Hollow. So you do have the 2 pages that have the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You have the Lavender Hollow bougie boxes, the Lavender Hollow icons and scripts, and the Lavender Hollow bottom washi date dots, the deco, and the header overlays. So that is everything for the bundle. I hope that y'all love it. I've been working on this for over a year and had so much fun working with all of the different artists and kind of getting a little bit of everything in there. Again, I would love to know what your favorite kit is down below. So that is everything for the bundle. I hope that y'all loved it. I am really curious to see what your favorite kit from the bundle was. Again, these are all exclusive art by amazing artists. I was so excited to work with 4 different artists to be able to give you a little bit of something different in every kit while still being really usable, I think. And again, giving y'all an amazing value. You did, again, if you ordered this, get the planner keeper, you got the catch-all zipper pouch, the 5 sticker sheet protectors, the 4 ultimate kits at the 10-page format, and then the bougie foil bundles that have the 6 sheets of foil in them. That's a lot. And everyone got it at $99.95 since it sold out during that time period. Do you think is an amazing deal? So that is everything. Again, let me know in the comments down below which kit is your favorite, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.